watching, we have to quickly revise our syllabus. So today we are going to see the important dates of the chapter Nationalism in India. This chapter is the only chapter in history which is going to come for term 2 board examinations of class 10th. So let's start. First is 1859, Inland Immigration Act. Second is 1914 to 1918, First World War took place. Then in January 1915, Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa. In 1917, he organized a satyagraha at Champaran in Bihar in behalf of indigo planters. Again in the same year 1917, peasant satyagraha at Kheda in Gujarat. In the next year 1918, cotton mill workers satyagraha at Ahmedabad in Gujarat. In the next year 1919, Rowlatt Act. In March 1919, Khilafat Committee was formed in Bombay. On 10th April 1919, martial law was imposed by General Dyer. On 13th April 1919, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place. Then between years 1918 and 19, distressed Uttar Pradesh peasants organized by Baba Ramchandra. In September 1920, Congress session at Calcutta. In December 1920, non-cooperation movement was adopted by Congress at Nagpur session. In January 1921, non-cooperation Khilafat movement began. In October 1920, Audh Kisan Sabha was organized. On 6 January 1921, police firings at Rai Bareli. In the year 1920, militant guerrilla movement. In 1922, Chauri Chaura violence took place. On 11 February 1922, National Cooperation Movement was withdrawn. In May 1924, Alluri Sitaram Raju was arrested and executed. In 1928, Simon Commission was formed in India. In December 1929, Lahore Congress session of Indian National Congress which demanded Purna Swaraj. On 26 January 1930, this day was declared to be celebrated as the Independence Day. 31st January 1930, Gandhiji sent a letter to Viceroy Irwin stating 11 demands. On 12th March 1930, Salt March or the famous Dandi March was started and civil disobedience movement was launched. On 6th April 1930, Dandi March ended. In April 1930, Abdul Ghaffar Khan got arrested. Then in May 1930, Mahatma Gandhi got arrested. 5th March 1931, Gandhi-Irwin Pact took place. On 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were sentenced to death. Between November 1930 and January 1931, first Roundtable Conference was held. Between September 1931 to December 1931, second Roundtable Conference took place. Between November and December 1932, third Roundtable Conference took place. Between January 1932 to 1934, civil disobedience movement was relaunched. On 26 September 1932, Pune Pact was formed. In 1920, the Indian Industrial and Commercial Congress was formed by industrialists. Again in 1927, FICCI, Federation of the Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries was formed. In 1930, strikes by railway workers. In 1932, strikes by dock workers. In 1930, Depressed Classes Association was formed. In 1928, All Parties Conference was formed. In 1906, Muslim League was established. In 1928, death of Lala Lajpat Rai. In 1919, the Government of India Act, and on 8th August 1942, Quit India movement and the famous Do or Die speech by Mahatma Gandhi. So friends, these were the important dates of the chapter Nationalism in India. I hope this would be helpful for you all. If you like this video, like it and share it. And if you are new on this channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for new videos. Thank you.